gentlemen, the top 10 finalists are FBB Femina Miss India 2016.
Aradhana Buraguhai, Nyanada Singapore, Gayatri Reddy, Natasha Singh, Navpreet Kaur,
Pankuri Gidwani, Priyadarshini Chatterjee, Roshmitha Harimurthy, Sushruti Krishna, and Vaishnavi Patwardhan.
Ladies and gentlemen, while you enjoy the moment and soak in the joy of making it this far, ready हो जाइए उन सवालों के लिए जो हमारे esteemed judges आपसे पूछने वाले हैं.
Hello, how are you? Well, Aradhana, you have the names here. You got to choose one. देखते हैं आप किसका नाम choose करती हैं. Let's see.
Okay.
Choose one card. And yeah, there you have it. Ho ho!
Arjun Kapoor.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you.
So my question for you is,
Yeah.
if you could be on the cover of a magazine,
Okay.
which magazine would you choose? I'll give you options. Femina, Filmfare, Time Magazine, India Today, or Vogue?
I would go for Femina first, then others will follow.
All right. क्या बात है सर?
Manish, you're with contestant number 14, Priyadarshini Chatterjee.
Manish Malhotra.
I have I think, a good question for you. If you were the judge tonight and had the option of selecting the 3 Femina Miss Indias 2016 from the remaining 9 selected finalists on stage, who would you choose and why? And you can't choose yourself.
Okay. If not me,
Yeah.
then I would like to choose Roshmitha Harimurthy, Sushruti Krishna, and Vaishnavi Patwardhan as the 3 winners, because I believe that 3 of them are equally hardworking, and I believe that they have the potential to win the title. Thank you.
So when you say equally hardworking, meaning you're very hardworking too.
I am. That is why I said, if not me. Thank
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. And Manish, you're now with contestant number 19, Sushruti Krishna.
Yeah.
The wonderful Miss World, Maria.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Well, first of all, congratulations to all of you girls. And my question is, if you had to choose any 3 different people amongst the judges or the members present in the audience to be your best friend, to marry, and to change your life, with who those 3 individuals be and why?
I think if I had to choose one person to change my life, it would be definitely Miss Molly, because I think she has done tremendous amount of work and she's really inspired and touched the lives of 1 million people across the globe. If I had to have a best friend, it would be my mother sitting up in the audience, because she's been with me through everything I've been through in life. And if I had to marry someone, I think I'd have to choose Arjun Kapoor. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Mrs. Arjun Kapoor. Well, Manish, you're with the final lady of grace and beauty, Vaishnavi Patwardhan, contestant number 20.
Sania Mirza. I have a very tricky question, actually. So, if you were a pet, what pet would you like to be? Who would you choose as a master in all the judges present here today?
If I could be a pet, I would definitely be a hamster because they're so cute and I've always wanted one. And I think I would choose my master to be Arjun Kapoor, because who wouldn't want to stay with him the whole time? Like, he would pet me, but that's fine.
Well, congratulations, Arjun. You have a wife and a hamster. Congratulations to the top 5 finalists. आप 5 से एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा. At any given point of time, बाकी की 4 फाइनलिस्ट को हेडसेट्स पहनने पड़ेंगे. जिसमें आप म्यूजिक सुनेंगे ताकि आप दूसरों के जवाब ना सुन सके।
तो पहली कंटेस्टेंट जिससे हम सवाल पूछेंगे वो है कंटेस्टेंट नंबर 11 नवप्रीत कौर। And the question is, what are the qualities required to be Miss India? Why do you think we should crown you Miss India 2016?
Okay. The qualities required to be the next Miss India are, first of all, a compassionate heart, and secondly, a good body, because you have to be presentable, and thirdly, you have to be very hardworking, because this is such a big platform, and I believe that I have a compassionate heart, and I have worked a lot on my body, so I think I also deserve a chance to be the next Miss India. Thank you so much.
Can we now invite contestant number 13, Pankuri Gidwani.
Good evening, everyone. I think that the qualities that are required to be a Miss India are an extremely focused mind, a very good heart, and a good set of lips to smile. And I think I have all the three qualities, plus an additive quality of being a people's person. I have to connect with the people. And that is why I think I should be crowned Miss India 2016. Thank you.
All right, well said. Let's see. Hota kya hai?
All right, thank you, Pankuri. And we're on to the third finalist, Manish, and she is contestant number 14, Priyadarshini Chatterjee.
I think that one of the most important qualities that FBB Femina Miss India 2016 should have is to be true to herself and have a personality that reflects who she is. And I believe that I should be crowned as FBB Femina Miss India 2016 because I believe that my personality reflects who I am. I'm true to myself. And unless I'm true to myself, I can never be true to others. Thank you.
All right, there you go. Well, thank you and wish you all the luck. Thank you.
Now, let's move on to the next contestant, number 17, Roshmita Harimurthy.
Good evening, everyone, once again. I believe that the qualities a Miss India should possess is emotional stability, humbleness, and also empathy. And I believe that I have these three qualities. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
And now, our last and final finalist to go through your question grilling, Manish, is Sushruti Krishna, contestant number 19.
There you are.
Good evening to everyone present here. And if there were three qualities that I believe a Miss India should have, it would be perseverance, hard work, and unconditional love for what you do. And I believe that all of these qualities have gotten me here. And if I were to be crowned Miss India, I believe that a girl should have the vision and the ability to fulfill her dreams. And if she has a plan to execute her dreams, I believe she deserves to be a Miss India. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you and wish you all the luck. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand, come on, for all the contestants out here.
Well done, all you girls.